some people are more sensitive.
Neki ljudi su osjetljiviji.
Yeah. And the body also are memories.
A i telo su također sećanja.
So sometimes it's gonna work through the body too.
I nekada će delovati i raditi kroz telo.
But it's not normal or abnormal.
Ali to nije normalno ili nenormalno.
Yeah. But the cleaning was heavy.
Ali čišćenje je bilo teško.
And I think we all felt it.
I mislim da smo svi to osjetili.
Yeah. So thank you all for coming.
Hvala vam svima što ste došli.
Yes.
Izvolite.
Baš jučer ja sam osjećala veliku toplotu s desne strane, tako je bilo vruće, nestan kao peć. Dok susjedna drugarica što je sjedla pored mene nije osjećala ništa. A po glavi kao da me je neko nestan dirao ili vrtio po mojoj kosti ili cijelo vrijeme mi dirao po desnom ramenu i imala sam utisak kao da je mnoštvo ljudi, ne samo jedno uz mene ovdje bilo. Takav moj utisak bio. Bile sam veoma iscrpljene pa sam nešto ništa.
And yesterday I had a sensation of enormous heat and warmth on my right side. The friend who was sitting next to me didn't feel anything. On my head I felt as if someone was touching it and playing with my head, and I felt that there was not just one person next to me, but much more.
Okay. So we are always cleaning anyway. This was like a cleaning vortex, like Romy said. You know, every time we create this vortex of transmutation.
I onako smo sve vreme čistili i stalno čistimo i stvara se, kao što je Romi rekla, kao vorteks čišćenja u prostoriju.
You know, and your comments, like Bella comment, you know, I thought that I was cleaning, you know, and now I realize, you know, and I went deeper into the cleaning.
I vaš komentar, kao i Velin komentar, mislila sam da čistim, a tek sada sam shvatila kada sam dublje zašla u čišćenje.
So this is kind of the answer of why we are so serious.
I to je na neki način odgovor na pitanje zašto smo tako.
This is becoming serious work.
Ovo postaje ozbiljan posao.
You know, like we have to become conscious enough to understand that this is very important that we do it.
Treba da postanemo dovoljno svesni da shvatimo da je ovo što radimo jako važno.
Yeah. So, and some people are more sensitive than others.
A neki ljudi su senzitivniji, osjetljiviji od drugih.
So some of you also felt very heavy, like you were really, it was hard to be awake, yes? Awake.
Neki vas su osjetili koliko je teško.
That you felt like falling asleep.
Ste se umornima.
Yeah? So the cleaning many times does that.
I čišćenje mnogo puta to i izazove.
Many times also the inner child is like, let me listen, stop it. Because this is always, you know, talking, comparing, judging.
Mnogo puta unutrašnje dete pokuša da vas zaustavi, da traži da ga pustite da sluša, jer nastavlja da priča, da osuđuje.
So sometimes it could be even your subconscious mind, your inner child.
Nekada je znači moguće da je to vaše unutrašnje dete.
That put you to sleep. Go to sleep. I used to fall asleep on Ihaliakala's trainings a lot.
Ja sam često zaspivala na Ihaliakala.
So I was telling the story, I think last week in Zagreb.
Mislim da se prošle nedelje u Zagrebu ispričala priču.
So Ihaliakala went to listen to Morna and took his daughter with him. He brought his daughter to the training with Morna.
Ihaliakala je išao na trening sa Mornom i poveo sa sobom svoju ćerku.
And the girl slept through the whole training.
Devojka prespavala ceo trening.
To the point that she was snoring and he had to put the hand on her mouth because of the noise.
Ali do te granice, do te mere je spavala, mnogo duboko da je počela da hrči i mora da je poklopi usta da ne pravi buku.
So the next day they went to the swimming pool.
Naredni dan su otišli na bazen.
And as they were going to go in the swimming pool, the daughter told him,
I tamo pre nego što su ušli u bazen, ćerka mu je rekla,
remember what the old lady said? Before you get in the pool, you have to clean.
Stara dama rekla, pre nego što uđeš u bazen, treba da čistiš.
And Ihaliakala said she slept the whole training.
I on je rekao, pa prespavala je ceo trening.
Yeah, that's why I told you, I give you permission to fall asleep.
Zato sam vam rekla, dajem vam dozvolu da spavate.
Okay. Thank you so much to everybody that participated.
Hvala svima koji su učestvovali.
There is a second part to that.
Što se tiče pisanja na tablama.
And for now we just let go.
Ali za sad
Yeah,
samo
we are
otpuštamo,
cleaning,
čistimo,
and we will have the opportunity to erase.
a imat ćemo priliku i da brišemo.
Okay, so what games do we play?
Koje igre igramo?
Yeah, so we all play games. We don't want to recognize them,
Svi mi igramo igre, ali ne želimo da priznamo.
but we all play different games in our life with the people that maybe we spend most of our time with.
Ali svi igramo
Yeah.
neke igre sa ljudima sa kojima provodimo možda najviše vremena u životu.
Are the souls that volunteer to play different roles in our life.
To su ljudi koji su prihvatili da igraju različite uloge u našem
But
životu.
now we forgot and we complain.
Ali to smo zaboravili i sad se žalimo.
So sometimes these games start from other people.
Nekada te igre započinju drugi ljudi.
So they start with the game
Počinju,
and we engage.
a mi ih prihvatamo,
And sometimes we play them, we start with them.
a nekada ih mi započinjemo.
So why do we want to bring it to our consciousness?
Zbog čega to želimo da osvestimo?
Because these games don't bring peace, happiness or freedom.
Zato što te igre ne donose ni mir, ni sreću, ni slobodu.
These games keep us stuck,
One nas drže
Yeah.
zakucanima.
attracting exactly the opposite of what we are looking for.
I privlače upravo suprotno od onoga što mi želimo.
So in order to say I'm not playing anymore,
I umjesto da kažete više neću da se igram,
like when we were kids, remember?
kao kad su bili deca, se sećate?
If something didn't work, we say I don't play.
A ako nešto nije išlo kako treba, samo kažete više neću da se igram.
Why we don't do it now?
Zašto to sada ne uredimo?
Because of what other people will say.
Zbog onoga šta će drugi
Because
reći.
this is the right thing to do.
Jer je to ispravno što treba
So we are not ourselves.
nismo ono što jesmo.
So I'll give you some examples.
Dajem vam neke
Okay?
primjere.
No, doesn't mean that you are really playing all of these or that there are no other games that we play.
To ne znači da igrate sve ove igre ili da nema drugih igara.
But
koje
you know
igrate.
how you can tell with some people it's like not a game.
Ali znate
No.
da sa nekim ljudima imate one situacije.
People that
koje
wants to be
ne
right.
opet, oni koji hoće da budu u pravu,
To have the last word.
da njihova reč bude
Yeah? And
poslednja.
sometimes it's us that.
Nekada
Yeah?
smo to mi.
So sometimes we play the game of I deserve.
Nekada igramo igru zaslužujem.
So, I play entitlement. People owes me.
Igram igru u kojoj ja kao polažem pravo. na
The
nešto.
universe owes me.
Univerzum mi
Okay?
duguje.
Again, I'm not at peace, I'm not happy.
I opet nisam u miru, nisam srećna.
Some of us maybe play the I must be seen.
Neki od nas igraju igru, moram biti viđen, moraju me vidjeti.
Perfect.
Savršen.
Yeah, but we only know what goes inside us
Ali znamo samo ono što se dešava unutar nas.
and how unhappy we are.
I koliko smo nesrećni.
When we are trying to be for people what we are not, we cannot be perfect.
Kada nastojimo da budemo nešto što zapravo nismo, kada nastojimo da budemo savršeni.
Okay? So that pressure that we put on ourselves.
Taj pritisak koji vršimo na sebe.
Some of us is I'm better than.
Neki od nas su
Yeah.
u igri i ja sam bolja.
So I put people down.
Tako da unižavamo ljude.
Yeah, I'm better than anybody else. I can do it better than anybody else.
Bolje sam od bilo koga drugog, mogu bolje da uradim od bilo kog drugog.
Again, not happy.
I opet, nisam
Yeah?
srećna.
Or sometimes we play I'm worse than.
Ili nekad
Yeah.
igramo igru, lošiji sam, gori sam od.
I'm not good enough.
Nisam dovoljno dobar.
Yeah, everybody's lucky except me.
Svi imaju sreće osim
Okay?
mene.
This works for everybody except me.
To važi za sve osim za mene.
So again, it's about bringing consciousness so that you can realize, hey, yeah, that's exactly the game that I play with such and such.
I opet se naravno radi samo o tome da osvestimo.
It could be at home, it could be at work,
Igra koju smo igrali sa nekim bilo kod
it could
kuće,
be
na poslu.
something that I replay every time I go to the supermarket or I'm driving or, yes?
To je možda nešto što stalno ponovo igram kada odem u supermarket ili dok vozim.
Things that keep repeating.
Stvari koje se uporno ponavljaju.
Okay, so now I can recognize them because otherwise most of the time we are asleep.
I sad mogu da ih prepoznam jer mi smo već da vremena uspale.
Okay, these things take me off zero.
Ove stvari me izbacuju iz
Okay,
nule.
so when I'm playing these games, I'm not at zero.
Kada igram ove igre, nisam u nuli.
I'm not one with the Creator.
Nisam jedno sa Tvorcem.
So now I can recognize that
Sada to mogu da prepoznam
and I can let go.
i mogu da odlučim.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not engaging anymore. This doesn't work for me.
Kao što sam rekla,
Yeah.
više neću da se kačim, ovo za mene ne radi.
I choose to be happy.